Hey everyone, and welcome to the Daily 3D Print. I'm Paul, and in this video you'll learn how to use the push-pull tool in SketchUp, one of the most powerful tools for turning 2D geometry into 3D shapes. And if you are a beginner, you cannot miss this tool. So let's do it. So what does the push-pull tool actually do? Well, it turns any flat 2D surface into a 3D model. So if I take the push-pull tool, the shortcut is P on the keyboard. And when I pull it up, it follows it, it creates a volume. And if I click on this face and push it, then it reduces in volume instead. So I can click here, also push it to reduce it. I can also give it exact measurements. So if I want to click on the surface and move it up, I can say 500 and enter. Or take it down 400, enter. Or if I take it up 100, if I keep double clicking on this surface, then it increases by 100 each time. It remembers the last value that I wrote. So double click, it goes up by 100. Double click, and so on and so on. Keeps going. And even on this face, it'll keep going 100 each time. Or if I take it this way, maybe do 500 and then double click, it goes in 500 intervals. A very powerful tool, good to know exactly how it's used though. The next step also, if you want to cut a hole in some geometry, you need to use either a rectangle or a circle, or even draw a new surface wherever you like. If I want to do a window inside a wall, then I can do this. Press P on the keyboard, and if I pull, then it'll create geometry of the rectangle. But if I push instead and go through the wall, if I turn around here, you see, and it finds the outside face, and it says here on face. When I click here, so it creates a hole through the geometry. It works with all shapes as well. I can do a circle. Activate the tool, push it inwards, and see if I can find the face from this side. There it says on face, so I just click. And now we've got two holes through the wall. A very powerful tool. It's always used to create 3D models in SketchUp. If I wanted to make a house, it was just to draw out the base, take push-pull, and draw up the walls. I'll pull up the walls. And so a beginner mistake happens quite often is, if I'll just delete these, if I maybe got a surface here and I make a box here with push-pull. If I don't make my geometry into groups and I'm playing around with push-pull, make it bigger and smaller, maybe go over here, and then I think, no, I want to move the whole thing now. So let's see, move. You see, it sticks to the other surface. Faces, they stick to each other in SketchUp. So you have to make groups of everything. And this is a common beginner mistake, not making groups and then moving two bits of geometry into each other, and then it sticks like glue. And you really have to just delete everything and start again, like this. And I would have to redo this. Yeah, best to start from scratch. So always, when you're going to create a box, take push-pull, create the box. Now take the select tool, triple click, right click, and make group. And you can't go wrong. And you should do this with basically all objects that you model in SketchUp. So that was just a little short tutorial about how to use the push-pull tool. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It will be much appreciated. And I'll see you next time for more SketchUp tips and tricks.